I did my beach thing, and just wanted to show you. It's a little too hot, and me walking through the beach with the camera. People are a little sensitive in Europe about privacy or whatever. So if you can see over there, there's a vertical thing. That thing is an elevator. Just like before, when I went into the beach, there was an escalator going down. Let me show you again. This side of the town is level with the sea. As you go further down, that way, it goes up and up to a cliff. So if anybody on the other side of the city wants to go down to the beach, they have to either go through an escalator, just like I did in the morning, or through some kind of stairs or whatever. So pretty good place to take shots. So I don't know, let's see how this goes.
Oui, ça va le faire.
Okay, now we're going to enter a tunnel. Which is going to lead us to the beach. That's where we came from. That's the old town. That's the old part of the city. And we walked through this tunnel. And we got onto the other side of the beach. And in a few more moments, I think I see a naked lady. Just kidding. There she goes. Hope you liked it. So yeah, this is the other side of the beach. And man, still got a long way to go to get to that elevator. Apparently they have a old staircase. They got a new staircase as well that goes along with the elevator. But what's really interesting is this, that they preserved this rock, which is has a lot of salt in it. They put some protective barrier in order for it to preserve, otherwise it would have fell already. A lot of the rocks over there either have nets or they have this kind of stuff so rocks don't fall and injure people. Every year in the Algarve there's always rocks falling, and it's good that they preserved one of these, because I'm assuming that this connected onto that, and there's a lot of those, and eventually they're gonna fall off. So now it's time to go to the elevator. Okay, we're finally at the elevator. And we finally arrived to our final destination. Now I want to see, I want you to see the view from the top. So here it is. Actually, let me get a view from this angle. Now we're gonna have to walk all the way back over there. I think I did enough footage for now. Some people didn't like me recording. People are kind of touchy about that stuff in Europe in general, about their privacy and all that stuff. So yeah, one last view. Bring it back. Got the little bar, cafe. Up on the roof, you got more chairs and stuff. Normally, pre-pandemic times, this would be just completely filled. Completely filled. 3 times as many people. Probably be an underestimation. So yeah. If I do see something on the way back, I will record it. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you liked it, press the like button, because it did take me some time. And it did take me some effort. Alright, deuces. So that was my day at the beach. deuces in Albufeira, Portugal.